My dear CA students, are you struggling to clear costing paper? Do you want to get exemption in costing? Now you are having chance. We are conducting crash course for November examination. We'll give the assurance to get minimum 60 marks out of this particular session. It's a full and full concept based class, 100% English with full coverage, 100% coverage of syllabus. Face to face live class. Student whoever is there in outstation, you can opt Zoom live class also. It's a combined manner face to face class, Zoom class. By way of this session, I'll give the assurance to get minimum exemption is our target. Main reason for clearing the costing paper is students not having the grip over the conceptual clarity. It's full and full concept based class, including theory we are going to conduct, and memory technique, how to remember the theory point, even how to use the calculator, time management tricks, all past exam question, MTPs and RTP analysis we are going to do in this session. September 1st to 8th September, morning 7 o'clock to 12:30 costing session. Thereafter, September 9th onwards till 14th of September, financial management class for CA intermediate. 15th September onwards, another 14 days till 28th or 30th of September, SCMPE CA final costing paper with the case studies, with theory. This is what our package. First is 8 days costing, next 6 days financial management, and last 14 days for CA final costing. We are going to provide full-fledged textbook, LMR textbook, almost 1,000 rupees worth of book. Question bank we are going to provide class for classroom discussion. That includes your past exam question, MTP to RTPs. Those questions you are going to solve in a section. Packet size theory book for the purpose of your quick revision. That book also hard copy you are going to provide. Plus 5 mock tests also you have to write during this session. After running the session, guaranteed pass only. So time management, motivation, conceptual clarity, everything you are going to provide during this session. Make use of the opportunity. Meet you soon in our session on 1st September. All the best.